things start to change a bit, right? I'm not a Kantian, and there's many things in there which I don't agree with. It is not surprising for Kant, architectonics as the method of Kantian critical philosophy is understood as the art of constructing systems in the plural, right? Philosophy is the building of those houses in which we dwell so as to philosophize. And as I claim, it is precisely philosophizing which does the building and the maintaining. Right? Philosophical architectonics is thus that technical tendency according to which a system is to be built that raises the aggregate materials of experience to the rank of science. I have no problem with calling it a science. But it is, likewise, according to Kant, a system whose unity of the manifold modes of knowledge must be guided by one idea. Right? On the face of it, it is perhaps difficult to square how philosophical architectonics is both the art of constructing systems in the plural, right, each according to their own design, and the art of constructing systems which is guided by one idea. Right? Indeed, what is this idea, right, according to which all systems are to be constructed? Does this not undermine the very plurality inherent in the notion mentioned earlier of philosophical tendencies? Right? In the same way that immediate, non-sensory, transcendent knowledge is not possible, so too is the art of philosophizing dependent on the synthetic nature of the idea of unity as its other philosophical fact. So, what might this mean? It is crucial here not to mistake the regulative, immanent idea of unity. Right? Kant is very, very clear on this. Right? The ideas are immanent, right? And Deleuze picks this up. That which underlies the condition of synthesis, right? So it underlies this notion with those speculative intellectual intuition, right? Absolute knowledge, Hegel, the unconditioned soul, or the transcendent God. What Kant calls here the concept of a whole, right? Insofar as it determines, he says, a priori, thus it is not empirical, right? Both the scope of its manifold content, but also the positions which the parts occupy relative to one another, is nothing more than saying that philosophizing is conditioned, right? Living in this, I would say here, is also, it's conditioned by the endurance of synthesis over time, right? What Simenon calls being through becoming.